Okay, so the last video with the house tour, I forgot to put my microphone on, so I'm doing this again. This girl. I have my cousin right next to me. Say hi.
Hello.
That's not what she actually sounds like. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, that's what she sounds like. This is the front porch. Oh my gosh, this always has to happen. This is the dog's room. I just changed it up so I have a bit more space. This is just like a little area. This is the living room, kitchen, office, and that's the laundry room. She got asthma. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
Okay. Ow! This is my sprinkler.
What is there swing over the pool?
I don't know. I just put it there because I have nowhere else to put
Then
it.
why is there water getting in the pool?
Because I put it there, okay?
But why?
Girl, stop asking questions. That's a sprinkler.
Okay.
The bubble
Bubbles.
maker.
Umbrella.
Is it outside? Okay.
Umbrella.
And this is the parents' room.
It's a mess.
Girl, it's a small room, okay? This is the baby's room. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah.
I think the baby's room should be with the parents.
Girl.
Well, it's a baby.
Well, then what is this room gonna be?
That can be a playroom.
No. Stop asking me. This is just the bathroom. This is the
What's going on with the TV?
the kids. Oh. This is the their room. This is the twins' room.
Twins?
Girl.
What?
Acting
Like what?
that accent. I think they can hear me. Okay.
No, they can't.
So yeah, that's all for the haul. Okay. Bye guys.